Chile is a long, narrow country located in South America, and it is famous for its unique cuisine that combines indigenous, Spanish, and other influences. The country's geography, which spans over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, from north to south, has contributed to a diverse range of traditional dishes and ingredients. Chile's cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and creative combinations, making it a must-try for any foodie. In this article, we will explore some of the most popular Chilean dishes, ingredients, and cooking techniques that make the country's cuisine so special. Ingredients. Chilean cuisine features an array of fresh, flavorful ingredients, including seafood, meats, fruits, and vegetables. Some of the most commonly used ingredients in Chilean cuisine include seafood. Chile's long coastline means that seafood is a staple in the country's cuisine. Some of the most popular seafood dishes include ceviche, a dish made with raw fish marinated in citrus juice and spices, and machas a la parmesana, a baked dish made with razor clams, cheese, and breadcrumbs. Meats. Chilean cuisine also features a range of meats, including beef, pork, lamb, and chicken. Asado, a barbecue-style meat dish, is a favorite among Chileans, and it typically includes beef, pork, and sausages. Choripan, a type of sandwich made with grilled chorizo sausage, is also popular. Vegetables. Chilean cuisine includes a range of fresh vegetables, including tomatoes, onions, corn, potatoes, and squash. Pepper, a salsa made with chopped onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and chili peppers, is a popular condiment that is served with many dishes. Fruits. Chilean cuisine is known for its fresh fruits, including grapes, avocados, cherries, and strawberries. Chile is also one of the largest exporters of blueberries in the world, and this fruit is a favorite in many Chilean dishes. Popular dishes. Chilean cuisine features a range of delicious and unique dishes that reflect the country's diverse cultural influences. Here are some of the most popular dishes you should try when visiting Chile. Empanadas. Empanadas are a staple in Chilean cuisine, and they are typically made with a filling of meat, onions, raisins, olives, and spices. These savory pastries are usually baked or fried and can be found in bakeries and restaurants throughout Chile. Completo. Completo is a popular street food in Chile that consists of a hot dog topped with mayonnaise, ketchup, avocado, and sauerkraut. It is often served with a side of French fries and is a favorite among Chileans. Pastel de choclo. Pastel de choclo is a traditional Chilean dish that is similar to shepherd's pie. It is made with a filling of ground beef, onions, and spices, topped with a layer of mashed corn and baked until golden brown. This dish is typically served with pepper on the side. Cazuela. Cazuela is a hearty stew made with beef, potatoes, corn, and pumpkin. It is typically